Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to install Jenkins on your Windows computer. So let's start. So first of all, open your any browser. Then search for Jenkins download. Here you can see the first link, Jenkins installation and setup. So click on the first link. First of all, we will download the setup. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option download Jenkins 2.2 version. So here is option for Windows. So my machine is a Windows computer. So I have to download setup for Windows. So click on Windows. Here you can see at the bottom, our download is started. So wait for some time. After completion of download, go to download folder. Here you can see Jenkins zip. So extract this folder. So here you can see the Jenkins folder. So open the folder. In this folder, here you can see the exe file. So to install Jenkins on your Windows computer, double click on this file. Do you want to run this file? Click on run. Again click on next. Again click on next. And finally click on install. Wait for some time. So here you can see the message completed the Jenkins 2.2 setup wizard. So click on finish. Now you can open your Jenkins on your local host, which is deployed on the port 8080. So here is the message, please wait while Jenkins is getting ready. So to unlock a Jenkins, here is some information. To ensure Jenkins is securely set up by the administrator, a password has been written in the log file. So here is the path where the password is stored. So copy that path and go to that path. So here is your initial password. Copy this password and paste in this text box. Then click on continue. So here is a option for customizing the Jenkins. Install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So you can choose any one of the option according to your requirement. So I am selecting the first one, install suggested plugins. So these are the plugins that are going to install. This will take some time. So wait for some time. So installation of all the plugins is completed. So here you can create your admin user. You can give any name. Suppose I am giving username as EasyIT for all. Type password and confirm password. Then typing my full name. Then typing my email address. So in this way, we are going to create first admin user. So type your username, password, confirm password, your full name and your email address. Then click on save and continue. So this is your Jenkins URL, using which you can open your Jenkins tool. So click on save and finish. So Jenkins is ready. So to click Jenkins, click on start using Jenkins. And here you can see our Jenkins installation is completed. So in this way, we can install Jenkins on your Windows computer, and we can install some important plugins, and we can create an admin user in Jenkins. So this is the URL localhost:8080. Using this URL, you can open your Jenkins tool. Now here is the option to log out. So click on logout. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.